Hi guys, if your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max is overheating, don't panic, you're not the only one. And in this video I'll show you some quick fixes to cool it down and prevent in front of getting too hot in the future. First, let's talk about why it happens. Your iPhone gets warm when the processor is working hard. So, like during gaming, long video recording, charging with a fast adapter, or when you are outside in direct sunlight, and of course when it all is simultaneously affecting your battery temperature. So some heat is normal, but if it feels too hot to hold, you need to take an action. So alright, here what you can do. First, take off the case. Many cases trap heat because it's silicone, it's plastic. Your smartphone is aluminum, and it's better to uncover your aluminum area just to cool your iPhone faster. Okay, move it out of the sun. This is second step. If you are outdoors, put it in the shade. Direct sunlight can push the temperature up really quickly, and even quicker if you have dark color of the iPhone. This was the second action you can do, but third action to take is to pause heavy apps. So close games, camera recording or navigation for a few minutes. This gives the processor a break. Number 4, stop charging. If it's heating while charging, unplug it and let it cool down before plugging it back in. And number 5, restart your iPhone. To restart, just click volume up, volume down, press and hold the power button and slide it to power off. Restarting your iPhone can help you because sometimes background processes cause overheating and a quick reboot clears them out. So now let's talk about prevention. So thing number 1, keep your iOS updated because Apple often releases fixes for overheating bugs. So when your iPhone overheating, it's not okay. So Apple know about it and they trying to keep your iPhone updated to prevent overheating on your iPhone. So keep your iPhone updated. Thing you can do number 2, avoid using your iPhone while it's charging, especially with fast charger, and especially avoid gaming while charging, because your processor heating and your battery heating at the same time, and because of it you can get overheat. Thing number 2 is use original or certified chargers. Cheap third-party ones can cause excess heat. And if you are gaming or filming in 4K for a long time, take short breaks to let the phone rest. Okay, guys, if this video helped you, make sure to hit a like, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and let me know in the comments when does your iPhone heat up the most, in gaming, in charging, or in filming video. For me, for example, during filming video my iPhone overheats faster than while gaming, for example. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.